Drowning in paperwork? I'm about to show you how to ditch the printer and sign documents on the go, straight from your phone using Docusign. First, you'll want to download the Docusign app from your app store. It's available on both iOS and Android. Once downloaded, open the app and log in with your Docusign credentials. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one within the app. Now, let's sign a document. Tap on the Get Signature button. This lets you sign a document you have on your phone. You'll be prompted to choose the document you want to sign. This could be a PDF from your email, cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox, or even a photo. Select your document. The document will load in the app, and Docusign will automatically detect fields that need your attention. Tap on the Sign Here tag. You'll have the option to either draw your signature, use a pre-saved one, or even upload an image of your signature. Once you're happy with it, place it in the designated area and then tap Finish in the top right corner. And that's it. Your document is now signed. You can then save it to your device, email it, or share it directly from the app. Docusign also saves a copy in your account for future reference. Now you can sign documents anytime, anywhere.